happy day after Christmas. Me and the girls were going to go. Me and the girls plus Chloe. We're going to go to see Jumanji yesterday. But that is my first Christmas ever being in my night clothes that long. And so I got very lazy. And so I said, girls, we will wait until tomorrow, until December 26th to go to the movies. Maybe next year. I was like, well, that can be a new, because I see people have that tradition on my Facebook. I was like, well, maybe that can be something that we, do on Christmas, but we didn't make it this year. Maybe next year. Like I said, this is my first time, and probably in ever. I've never, been home all day on Christmas. So it was my first time, and so I stayed in my pajamas all day. I had some nice pajamas, though, so they were slick.
They see it.
Oh, y'all saw my pajamas in mine. They were so comfortable. So, today we're going to see Jumanji. Keela has our popcorn bucket. Of course, she's not going to forget that. Chloe's back there.
And I can't see nothing.
And you can't say nothing.
Can't see behind her. Because her booster says she can see behind her.
Oh,
like
yeah.
wrong
I'm sorry. You can't see behind you.
Bless your heart. You be alright.
So, the movie starts at 1:15. And in typical us fashion,
We went to the, what's the name though? Had to take some.
oh yeah, LeVar, y'all saw this toboggan. So LeVar got me this toboggan. Well, Dillard's messed up and sent him an email this morning. Said all the toboggan, the winter stuff, I guess. Because the jackets were 50% off too. I saw I was passing by the men's jackets. So they had 50% off winter items. And so of course he paid $20-something, like $25. So when they told him that he can pay 50%, he wanted to take it back. So we took my toboggan back before we came to the movies, which because I wanted to wear it today, which made us a little late. So in typical us fashion, we're late. But hopefully we'll miss the previews and still have time to get popcorn, sit down, and be able to see the movie from beginning to end. Fingers crossed. Oh, and I went to Hobby Lobby this morning. Mahogany and I did. I got wrapping paper for next year and boxes. I didn't have any. I don't know what happened last year. I think last year I forgot to go to Hobby Lobby after Christmas. And by the time I went, it was too late. So now I have plenty of boxes and plenty of wrapping paper and tape because I ran out of everything this year. And I had to go in the store and buy a regular price. And I was upset.
If we had Daddy,
I was mad.
we wouldn't have got Jack.
Oh, and I bought some more of the little things with the balls on it that stick in my tree. I needed some more of those. I bought 5, and I wish I would have bought more, like 8, but I bought 5 of them. Yes, and then when I get home with those little balls stick in my tree, LeVar like, you got extras. You already have extra ones of those. No, I don't. Yes, you do. And he goes to the basement and comes back with nothing because he came back with something, but it was nothing compared. It's not even close to what I bought this morning. So the movie was great. Chloe, did you like the movie? What's she saying? Chloe, did you like the movie? You did? Kiki, you like the movie? Kiki was laughing the whole time. Well, how you like it? Why did you pay attention?
Yes, why?
She was asleep on my shoulder.
I was not.
Mahogany.
I was hiding my face.
Oh, yeah, it was some parts in there where it was some action going on. But it was a really, sorry. I'm trying to hold my phone by my pop socket. Let me see that right here. Let's try to see again. But it was really good. It was funny. I'm glad we went and saw it. And y'all can't see me. It's too much light coming in the car. Okay. I'm glad we went and saw it. It was really, really good. Very funny. So if you haven't gone to see Jumanji and you like Kevin Hart and The Rock, and what's the other guy?
Jack.
Yeah, Blackjack?
Jack Black.
Jack Black, yeah. If you like Jack Black, go see it. They're all pretty funny. It was cussing in it. Kevin Hart probably did the most cursing, but it was not something you don't see on TV every day anyway. So, did you like the movie, David?
Oh,
LeVar, you see who was in the car? We're being good. LeVar just had to go to Dillard's.
I had my eyes on.
Talking about they got shoes on sale, but I stayed in the car. Mahoney stayed in the car. Keela stayed in the car. Everybody stayed in the car.
Yeah. The Nike's gone.
I was being good.
Somebody came in the morning. Like I started to.
Yeah, if you want something, she came good.
That's how it looks.
You
They-
see them Sperry's, did you?
What's Paris?
Those runners, those duck boots. They have this, they have
I
some
mean,
for women.
you can wear. Oh,
I really wanted to video Keita laughing so hard, but I knew if I pulled out my phone, because that movie it was not like we've gone to other movies at the theater, and it's hardly no one in there, and so you're not disturbing anybody. But today it was packed, maybe because people are off work. It's the day after Christmas. I really would have recorded Keita laughing.
you got Keith
I
there.
was laughing, Keita laughing. All right, guys.
Keita started laughing as soon as they showed Kevin Hart. He didn't do nothing. I said, what she laughing at?
No, because the way he fell.
Can't believe Christmas is over.
That's it.
Oh, good God, lady.
By the way,
I think she full ready.
The only thing that means for me is time to start shopping for next year.
My birthday coming up.
Because the deal's about to start.
My birthday coming up. Hey, me
And you know, we
Chloe's
do Secret
birthday
Santa in our family. So I have my name, LeVar has his name,
Me and Chloe's
the
birthday
girls have their
coming up.
names. So
Me
we'll
and
start
Chloe's
looking
birthday
for
coming up.
those people soon. We'll start
Come on,
shopping.
Come on. Me and Chloe. Okay.
All right, guys. Talk to you later. Bye.
My birthday coming.
Okay, so Keita's birthday is in a couple weeks. Is it no next week? Keita's birthday in a week and some days. January 9th. It's December the 27th. And so LeVar and I, her phone, a friend knocked it out of her hand, cracked the screen. We went and got it replaced at a mall booth. At a mall booth.
You're about to be replaced.
I know, right? This pop socket on it. My phone be great. We went and got it replaced at one of the mall booths. Bad idea. Never do that again. The screen was faulty. It fell off when we were on the floor, off of the couch onto the floor. The screen cracked again. The tempered glass protector did not crack, just the screen protector. And so I told LeVar, I'm not going to fool. I don't want them to put another screen on there. I'm not going to fool with it anymore. I looked on Verizon. They were having a BOGO deal with the iPhone 8. So I had to beg him to upgrade. Because it's not, I mean, I could have upgraded because I got that, I can upgrade every year. But I can't keep my phone. And I like keeping my phone. And so I want to wait until the end of 2018 before I upgrade. So I had to beg him. He upgraded. Got Keila a free phone for her birthday. So we're getting ready to give it to her even though it's not a birthday. Because I look on the account, they've already activated it. So we really don't have a choice. Because I've deactivated the other phone. She could still, the screen became unresponsive, but people could still FaceTime her and she could still talk to them. But she wasn't really using it anyway. So I deactivated it this morning. And the FedEx man just came. I wrapped it up. Don't have any other paper besides Christmas paper. Sorry, kid. But I did wrap it up, and we're going to call her down now. Hopefully she won't see the camera. She may see the camera and suspect something, but hopefully she won't. We're going to call her down. Kiki! Mahogany! Come here! She won't see y'all. It's okay.
Hey Jake, so sweet. Congrats for all that happened this year.
Gifts. I just love
Winning
it.
the championship.
Huh?
All that's awesome.
Kiki! Happy birthday to you. Even though your birthday's not till January 9th. Happy birthday, dear Keila. You just woke up and you've been sleeping. Come on, you gotta come over here and open it.
You know yet?
No, take it down. You gotta come over here. You gotta come right here then. The Lord done saw me in my cap. It's okay.
Can I just open it then?
She just woke up, y'all. She was asleep. Just open
Open
it. Stop
it.
shaking stuff. back in here and be happy for your sister. Get back in here.
Oh my!
Don't open it like that. Let mama finish the rest of it.
Take a spirit. They go take a
I
spirit.
don't want it to fall. First day.
Oh my! Wait, you traded it? Traded it?
No.
That's all I'm doing.
That's the only thing you get for your birthday. This is it. No shopping, no nothing else. This is your birthday present.
Okay? I know the answer. She said you okay. Yeah, you can't get it. You got the case.
I gotta go to, when I go pick up my Apple Watch. Oh guys, I got me an Apple Watch. When I go pick up my Apple Watch, I look for cakes.
This is all you wanted from me?
But your other one's deactivated. This one's already been activated.
You got new number.
So you got a new number.
What other one is that?
That's what I'm saying. You can still FaceTime. Do what you want to do because you're on Wi-Fi.
But you can't use this one to try to pick something.
Thank you. I'm gonna cry. Okay. Break my neck. Okay.
Where my hug? Why you want straight to daddy?
Oh, because he's heel closer.
Because I upgraded. See, if what would be key to
Dude, that was not daddy's idea. I'm taking the credit.
I upgraded. If I don't upgrade. You see it for Christmas. You see it for your birthday, right?
That's all you get for your birthday. Don't even ask for nothing else.
So I keep my money.
Yep.
Yes, Kilo.
You keep your money.
I should make you buy a case.
Oh, yeah? You buy a case? Yeah, that's
Give me
right.
money
Yeah.
to buy a case. That'll help. $25 will help.
25, 40. Still 40.
Oh, you got $40 up there? I'm buying you out of box. I'll look for a purple one.
Yeah, right, yeah. You remember Mama? You remember how I get the break because they had 7s and you and I had 6s? Who's top dog now?
Yes.
I'm only her other wife. Alright.
So, okay, so I didn't do an unboxing because it's not my phone, it's Keela's phone. Could let her do an unboxing. But I may be a little creaky, guys. My pop socket won't let my phone be great. But so Keela got a gold 8. And this is the way it looks. It's really pretty on the back. Makes me want an 8.
No.
I was gonna take this phone and give you mine. You wouldn't carry it with you. But I was like, well, this is her last phone for mom and daddy because the next phone they gotta pay for themselves. So I'm gonna let her have this one. But that's the way it looks on the back. It's really pretty on the back. But it's gonna be in the case. She'll never see the back. And of course, it's just your standard iPhone. It looks much like my 7.
Got grapes and juice, y'all.
And you get, of course, like any other, you get the earbuds with the adapter on the back. You get the charger cord, and you get the wall unit. And like you guys know, the back is glass, so that's what makes it so pretty. And I don't know, the lighting is great for my face right here, but it's not great for this phone. So I don't know if you can see that. It's very pretty, very glamorous and shiny. I like it. But I'm gonna go to Best Buy now. My Apple Watch is ready. LeVar, you gonna do an opening of your phone? LeVar's gonna do an opening of his phone.
I could have kept my 6.
LeVar they both got
happy with my
64
6.
gigabytes. 64 gigabytes. Can you guys see that? They both got 64. So this is LeVar's phone. He got the silver to match his iPad. It looks more white than silver, but he's gonna open it.
$40.
Give it that money.
Good job.
Keela gave me $40 because I'm gonna get her a case of Best Buy. She's gonna buy her own
What color
case.
you want? Open. No. Open now.
Yeah, they can see it. He did his time.
Take over
He
spirit.
ain't never opened the iPhone.
Take over spirit.
You gotta get into 2017.
Take over spirit. Here's mine.
Jesus. And he dumped everything out the box. Oh, it looks white. It don't really look silver.
Son. sure that's 7?
I heard on the reviews. I heard people say that silver looks more white.
Look at the flash.
They're gonna have the bomb camera. They're gonna have to start vlogging.
And I have my earbuds.
Say no more. I'm gonna take a lot of pictures.
I don't really like this. I like the older phones where it had the separate earphone jack, auxiliary import. Something I don't like about it, but
You charge it with the same port, like my phone.
because I could have kept my iPhone 6.
Let me see your phone. Dude.
Save some money. They don't want to save no money. They don't like. They like spend.
Buy one get one free. I've never known
good.
Verizon to do that.
No,
Yeah.
it's $4. I'm still paying $4 a month.
Look, right there. So you have to charge it and listen to your headphones. And you got to keep this, and this is easy to break. You cannot use headphones if you don't have this. This is the adapter to stick on the end of headphones. Because you know headphones have that kind of port.
This is a lot of money.
So if you lose this, you can't use headphones.
Well, I'm gonna do it anyway.
Your Bluetooth.
No, I'm not gonna lose it. Why is the 2 phone cases so? I'm getting
This
tired.
baby's phone.
I know. I'm getting tired of all y'all.
Why you salty? I'm not salty. Me and you both got 7.
I don't know. No, you got a phone last year.
Okay, that was this year actually.
Keela can't
This
help.
year? You gonna be quiet?
Keela can't help that. Her birthday came later, and a newer phone. Every year our phone come out.
No, my shit ain't never. She got a phone this year. You gonna get on someone?
It was in April.
I'm gonna put this out there free.
No, you right. It was last year.
This
No,
school.
I remember that.
2018.
No,
They are
track
full.
season. That's right, track season.
Okay, guys, talk to me.
not that spoiled.
I'm gonna let you see my Apple Watch when I get back.
Well, you getting an Apple Watch.
Okay, guys, so I have my Apple Watch. Like I said, I ordered it from Best Buy. And for those who don't know about Shopkick, let me tell you about Shopkick. So Shopkick is an
Why is
app
it so long?
that you can download on your phone. Can I please do this?
Why is it so big?
Shopkick is an app that you can download on your phone. You can scan things, you can buy things that are on the Shopkick app, and you earn kicks. And so I want to tell you about Shopkicks. I told you about Shopkicks before, but I want to tell you again because I earned enough kicks to get $100 gift card at Best Buy. So that is how. Anybody have that phone? Because I'm blocked. Let me get you LeVar's phone so you can see. That is how I but that's not how I got my Apple Watch. But I use $100 from Shopkicks to buy my Apple Watch. So this is the way it looks. Can you move? I'm not playing.
What's my hand? What's my hand?
So it looks like this. So as you can see now, LeVar has 21,000. I have like 6,000 now because I used 25 to get a $100 gift card for Best Buy, and I bought my Apple Watch at Best Buy. So I got $100 off, and I really didn't do anything.
And I used kits for Lowe's before. I got it. I'm telling about, I'm advertising for Shopkicks. You talking about it before you talk about your watch. I got me a saw. You seen the saw in the previous blog. But I got $25 off a saw. Well, you know, gift card. I'm sorry.
He got a $25 gift card. He's trying to say at Lowe's. Okay, so it looks like this. For those that have not seen an opening of the Apple Watch 3, because it's a watch, it's laid out.
But why so big?
I don't know why I would even try to do this with them in here.
Who? Who are them?
Help. So that's my Apple Watch. I got the pink sand with the gold watch, and I got the 42-inch. I love big face watches. Stop, Mahogany. I love big face watches, so I got the 42-inch.
Back up to me. Back up to me.
It's just a
So I'm going to take the plastic off.
I don't even know why.
And I haven't even, like I said, I got it at Best Buy. Keila, I'm not playing. So I got to, and you with your head looking like that, trying to be funny.
This is cute. This is cute. It's that.
So I've got to call Verizon and get it activated. But I did get the cellular and GPS one. And so as far as maybe ladies out there want to know if they should try a 42 inch, I'm going to show you how a 42 inch will look on your arm. Like I said, there's no need of me turning it on because I haven't really. And this is not like an official box opening. I just wanted to open it up with you guys. So this is the way it would look on your arm. So for me, that's not too big. Some people might say that is too big because most men probably get this one and women get the smaller one. But I love bigger watches. And so I wanted a bigger one. I like it. Now this band may be a little bit big. I don't know. It may be fine. But I like it. I like the size of it. I really do. I'm glad I went with the bigger one. I don't know why I'm turning my arm like that because it's not like it's, you can tell anything's upside down. Can't wait to turn it on and use it. But I'm going to eat. We're going to pick up food on our way back. So I'm going to eat and I just want to open it with you guys. I want to see it. I wanted you to see it with me. I like it. And I didn't think I would like the band that goes with it. But I do like the band. So if you haven't used Shopkicks, use it. It's legit. They give you your gift card. Last night I decided to order it. I redeemed my kicks for the $100 gift card. I got my gift card within minutes. So then I was able to go online, use my gift card. They give you like a card number with the pin. It's like a regular Best Buy gift card. So I was able to use my gift card last night. $100 gift card. Guys, and I didn't do anything but scan stuff at stores. That's all I did. And sometimes I will buy things, but I didn't buy a lot of stuff using my Shopkick app. But that does help you gain kicks faster. But you can't beat that. And I love my Apple Watch.
I didn't get nothing today.
Mahia's salty because she didn't get anything. Everybody got something. Keela and LeVar got a phone and I got a watch. But I used my Christmas money, my Shopkicks, and money that I had saved to buy this. So it's paid for. I didn't want Verizon. You can go on there. You can do the pay for 6 months. I didn't want to do that. Not for no Apple Watch. I just wanted to buy it straight out. So here's my Apple Watch. Look at LeVar.
Yeah, no more vacation time.
Look at LeVar playing with that
Samuel's
Hatchable.
gonna come and I wouldn't go. I got to go.
LeVar, you want you a Hatchable? Costco's got them.
Well, she haven't played with the boy. He's not going.
The little girl is taller than the boy. Chloe's neglecting the
Yes.
little boy.
You okay? Booty, booty, booty. Together. Oh, you gonna spend that with me? You spend that with me.
Look, that thing talking in the middle of the night. You gonna put that thing out the room so
Mommy
fast?
ain't somebody calling you.
Yes, Chloe.
Mama, where are they?
Hatchables.
They're dragons.
They're dragons.
Baby dragons.
Oh,
What's the
hello.
what? Oh, what's the African girl's name?
She
Daddy?
tells it.
Hello.
He said, she talking.
Her name is
Did she say hello? He ain't saying it. He said, like, baby.
because he's still a baby. He's not growing as fast.
She's all,
You know, little boys are slow bloomers.
That's right.
Chloe ain't touching.
No, it's because little boys. They slow.
No, Chloe, look at it. Oh, it's okay. You need bird. You gonna grow. You gonna grow. Don't worry about it. You grow. And when you hit your growth spurt, you gonna pass her. You gotta eat growth
I
spurt.
believe the boy taking this personal.
Yeah. That's all
I
right.
wish I would have seen that hatch out the egg.
Oh, you should have seen that. That was amazing.
So what you do with the egg once they hatch out?
Oh, wow.
But I'm telling you, it hatched. It started cracking. And then they would come up and it cracked some more. They'd come up some more and it cracked some more. I was looking at Danielle like this.
That is crazy. That's crazy.
It's crazy. You all right. Don't worry about it.